Well, hello, Mankind Malik here. Today I'm doing a small project, doing an extension to increase the surface area of a mobile table. Well, this is our table. It's got two tiers, one tier there and one there. Well, basically the idea is we need to increase the surface area for there to extend this tray. So if you want to put a cup or plate, and we put it there, and we can put other things there because this is not enough. So this is what I've cut, as you can see there. And so this is a small, basically, piece that's going to add on. So I've cut it with jigsaw according to the need. These two poles are basically customized cut extensions that are going to lock into the existing sockets on the table I have. One there, one there, and those bolts sticking out, the steel one, those are basically mechanisms that basically makes it lock into place. So this is the bond, and as you can see there, so it's very sticky and very it's got a lot of fumes to it. So you better wear a mask. Well, we're used to wearing masks in this age anyway. So if I can show you what I'm going to do, apply a rough, a base coat here all the way, and then you can basically let it dry for 15 minutes, because if obviously it's bare surface and half of the strength of the glue basically gets absorbed into the surface. So that's why I've treated it all the way around, and I've waited about 5 minutes for it to sink in. So I'm going to put another layer off here as my secondary layer, which basically retains the strength of that glue. And then I'm going to put the same on this pieces of formica I've already cut. That's going to go around this piece. So I'm going to put some glue there on this here, and then stick it on. Keep it and hold it. It's going to make a mess. So what I've done is put it there like that, and put tapes here like that and like that. So this is going to keep it nice and steady. See, I've got this wood underneath, so I don't make a mess on the table. Very important. It also gives you a platform to work on. Feels comfortable. Work and ergonomics go together, gives you best results. See, end points, I'm going to take this tape off and do the ends at the end. So, they basically going to attach it to this piece of wood. Final layer, so there's no gaps, because the gaps are basically weak points, and you want a good strong bonding. I'm going to close this because the fumes are pretty strong. Now it's called cement bond, so pretty strong. Available in stores here in the UK. I bought it from overseas. So now I'm going to attach that to there all the way around. I'm going to put another coat, well, I would call it the second coat. Now this piece of timber is basically plywood, and it is more porous because it was cut, and so the first coat basically absorbed into this material. The second coat is basically the real coat, which is going to give strength. So I put one on this side of the surface. So I put one material coat on this side and one coat on that side, so that and leave this for 5 minutes, because as we can put it straight away, it's not going to have a full bonding. So you basically leave it for 2, 3, 4, maximum 5 minutes. This and that. Well, that's been curing for 5 minutes, so this is pretty ready. I'm just going to give this another 2 minutes because this is fresh, and then I'm going to attach it all the way around. Put it there, and press it on. Look at that. And press it all the way. Like that. Now this is a flat surface here, so I'm putting the finished side down. So this kind of, if I press it like that, it's kind of is aligned with the surface I'm putting this on. So I need to put some tapes here to hold this into place. Let's do it. Well, here's the tape I put. So that strip there, that strip here, is not pushing outwards. It's not pushing outwards. So I pressed it, put some tape on both sides, so it's all secure. I'm going to do the same. I take the strip here, put the tape here, and show you now. Well, here's the second part coming along. So as you can see, glue on this side and this side. Because I let it dry for a couple of minutes, see the bonding effect on it? Wow, look at that, look at that. And I'm going to show you this structure here because I like it. Look at that, look at that. So I'm going to basically press this now, there, so it's all pressed. And I'm going to press all this part and put tapes to hold it. Well, I've got this part all wrapped up, this part, final part, this one, and the final strip. There. So, need to be glued up now. Here we go. Well, here comes the final part, the finishing part. So this I've basically gripped it, this part, and here goes the final click, click, and that's it. So I'm going to lock it into place with the tape. It's all bandaged up here, so but not for too long. It's going to look a different species once I take this off. And also I'm going to put some more formica here, and before and after you'll see it. This is how it looks now. So that's kind of before. I'll show you what after looks like. Well, first one's on. Let's put the second one. So that's the story right now. So we're going to put this and the remaining here and here. So same process. Let's do it again. Okay, here we go. Now this is normally a bit challenging to handle, but let's try our best and see how it goes. Okay, so I've got everything glued on here, and because they have a tendency of springing up, because they have been tied in tape form for a long time and sitting at home. So before they spring up, I just need to quickly invert it and place a weight to hold it until tomorrow morning. And that by that time, the glue is going to basically have the maximum effect and hold it from then on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, all is set. Put the weight. Bang. Until tomorrow morning, everything should be set. I'll show you how it looks. It looked like that, and with these extension poles. And what's it going to look like after it's done? as you saw there. So I'm going to fit it on and show you how it looks. So that's gone in. This is going to go in like this. Like, well, I'm going to show you. Like this. So it's secure, not going to move anywhere. And this is it. Surface area increased by another 6 inches, and it'll be handy. How? Let me show you. Yeah. See the picture? See what I mean? Well, I hope you like it. And it's going to help my family too, including myself. So anyway, nice to have you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, comment, share if you like, and please stay connected, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Anyway, by the way, go for it. You can do it. It's not difficult. Piece of cake. Thank you very much. God bless. Mankind Malik.